Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's coming up in the new update later tomorrow. When do I upload this? Soon. So the admin release is in 22 hours from now. And here are, I'll be talking to you about the new updates and what you need to prepare for it. So first, obviously, you'll need to join the green bean team. You're going to get rewards from using this, so just put on the item right now. It's in private servers. It's at the corner here next to the seed shop. Then, I don't know which one is the actual truth, but at the top of the beanstalk in this update, there's going to be a giant. Obviously, there's still a giant at the very top of the beanstalk, but here you actually now have to give him either the plants or either you need to cook for him to up your friendship level to get better rewards. I will show you a clearer description once the update is already here, but this is what it's going to look like. I have a screenshot here. And then there's going to also be a crafting table now at the very top of the beanstalk where you can craft a lot of items such as the willow berry, the green bean memories. There's also you can craft a cleansing pet shard, and also you can craft a pet shard mega, which I don't know what that is yet. But there's going to be a crafting table at the top of the beanstalk, so look out for that. Then you can also there's going to be two new fences, the metal fence and the jail fence on Grey Garden that you can change here later on. It's going to be here. Okay, what else is new? I think that's pretty much it, really. You can also, craft a skyroot chest and a sprout egg as well. There's a bunch of things you can craft. But yeah, that's what's coming up on the new update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.